want the sounds, phonic sound. I just want you to identify letters with me. Okay? Keep your finger and read with me once.
Where is it?
Say
Just listen to me and repeat after me. Okay?
Where is it? Where is
You have to just read and repeat after me, Hasni. Please listen.
okay.
See,
Good. Namaste, Nukshita. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
You're good. Okay. Okay, Naitik. Yeah, Naitik, where is your gloves? It's gone.
Gloves
There, okay. Can you keep it aside? Naitik, can you sing? Naitik, can you sing Dobi Aya? Dobi.
Dobi aya, कपड़े साफ, कितने कपड़े लाया, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10, 10, 10.
Sir, namaste Guruji.
Good. Namaste, Rohita. You got a half cut.
I want star.
I'll give you star. You answer me. Did you have you got your half cut?
Ma, first
You
wait.
listen to me, then only I'll give you star. Have you got your haircut?
Yes.
I want blue star.
కాదు మ్యామ్ నీ హెయిర్ కట్ గురించి అడుగుతున్నారు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు హ్యావ్ యూ ఎస్
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I thought somebody has joined the class. I didn't realize it's Rohita.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ లింక్ లాస్ట్ లింక్ కనెక్ట్ మ్యామ్
Okay.
Ma'am, I want pink star.
ఫస్ట్ యు ఆస్క్ బ్లూ స్టార్
I want pink star and blue star.
Both stars I'll give you. Okay.
Then I want Guruji.
Dhanyavad, Rohita. Now, Nukshita, what color star you want?
వాట్ మ్యామ్
Nukshita, what color star you want, Nukshita?
Pink star.
Pink star. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. What about Hasini? What color star you want?
Orange.
Orange. I think I have.
Never.
Dhanyavad. Naitik. I have blue, green.
Yes, ma'am.
I know I'll ask for it. I don't have red. I have only green, purple, pink, and blue. And of course, yellow.
Blue.
Okay, blue for Naitik. Very good, children. Okay, we'll start. Dhanyavad. Okay. Yes, Nukshita, can you sing Dobi Aya? Nukshita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing Dobi Aya?
Yes, ma'am.
సింగ్
Dobi aya.
Kappade.
Kapade saaf. Inne kapalaya.
Kitne?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Bus.
Wonderful. With very good clarity, Nukshita. Very nice. Come on, dear Rohita. Dobi Aya.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ చెప్పు దోబియా చెప్పు
Dobi aya.
Nukshita పాడినప్పుడు పాడాలి.
Capresa, itte cappellaya, itte cappellaya. Egg don't eat,
చూపించులాగా.
egg don't eat, champa now.
Sat.
At, pa,
Na.
na, das, das,
Das. Bus.
bus, 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 bus.
After that.
Okay, Rohita, good. Okay, so now I am going to sing Sir Kande Gutne Par. Okay,
Sir
I want
Kande.
all of you to listen and do the action. Okay, come on, Hasini, Nukshita, Rohita, Naiti, can you please stand up? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start now. Sir Kande Gutne Par, आंखें, कान, मुख, नाक. Rohita, naak. Okay, I'm going to sing fast now. Ready? Show me thumbs up. Let me see if you're ready or not. Show me thumbs up if you're ready. What about Naitik? Superman? Yes. Sir. Ready? Sir Kande Gutne Par. Sir Kande Gutne Par. आंखें और कान और मुंह और नाक. सिर, कंधे, घुटने पैर. सिर, कंधे, घुटने पैर. आंखें और कान और मुंह और नाक. सिर, कंधे, घुटने पैर. Good. Okay, come back to your place. To start with, let's do a worksheet. Okay, I've got two worksheets which is not in the book. Okay, remember Ase Anar, Ase Am, right? I'll call your name. You have to unmute and tell me the answer. Ready? Okay. Okay, Naitik, can you see my screen, Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the first letter? This one.
Anar.
Very good. As say anar. So as is joined to anar, pomegranate. Okay, what is this next letter? What is this?
What is this?
Ooh. Okay, what is ause? Ause?
Aurat.
Aurat. Where is aurat? Show me. Is this aurat?
Aurat.
Okay, where is aurat? This is aurat.
No.
This is aurat.
No, this is Hara.
What is aurat? What is aurat, Naitik? Aurat means any auntie. Okay, any woman is aurat. Okay. Yes or no? Okay, I'm going to join ause, aurat. Next, Nukshita. What is this letter, Nukshita? Very good. Ase. Where is Am? Which color is Am? Tell me. Am is
Yellow color.
very good. Ase Am. Super, Nukshita. Next, Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Jagga.
What's this letter?
What is this?
Is it P?
Right.
A. What does A say?
Yes, sir. What?
AD.
Where is AD? Tell me the color of AD. Let me show you. Give me a minute. Where is AD? Is this AD?
ఏడి ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
ఇది
Yeah, okay. Ma'am.
She's showing. Okay. A AD. Good. Okay. Hasini,
Yes, ma'am.
you know what is this letter?
What is this letter?
Use Ullu.
Very good. Where is Use Ullu? Perfect, Hasini. Wonderful. Which is
First one.
First one.
first one? Okay. Use Ullu. Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
What's this, ma'am?
Amse angur.
Okay. Where is Angur? Amse Angur. This one? Okay. Where is Angur? Amse Angur. This one? This one?
This one.
What is Angur? What is Angur?
This one.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Okay. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What is letter?
Ma'am, please zoom out, ma'am.
Can't you see me, Nukshita?
No, ma'am. Yes. Light zoom out, ma'am, please. Some word is not. Yes. Which letter, Ammu? Yeah.
This one. This one.
I.
Very good. I say.
Aina.
Very good. What is Ainak? This one is Ainak or first one or second? Which is Ainak?
This one.
I say Ainak. Good, Nukshita. Last, Rohita. What is this letter, Rohita?
What is this? Think. Choose, Chapu.
Okay.
What is this? Spell and write.
Ungur.
Very good. U say oon.
Say Usaina.
U say oon. Very good.
I want color.
I'll give you. Okay, then Hasini.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? This letter. Do you know what is this letter?
Ma'am, it is hidden. We couldn't see it. The top one, right?
No, I'm asking the last letter, sir, because the first letter is U. She already got you, so I'm showing the last letter.
Last letter. Okay.
Rishi.
Very good. R say Rishi.
That's Rishi.
That's why it's scrawled.
Yeah.
R say Rishi. Good. Good, Hasini. Again, Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the previous letter? This one. This one.
Rishi.
That is done. This one.
S.
Mm.
S-A-L-E.
A say AD. A say AD is not here. So what is this? What is this?
Who say
No, this one. This one. Red color.
one?
One. What is one in Hindi? Can you count one? A say ek. Good. Next, Nukshita. Ooh, what is this?
Oh, ma'am.
Ooh say. Ooh.
Wakali.
Hey.
That is that is O say vocally, dear. Ooh say. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Rohita.
Again, New Zealand.
Rohit,
China.
teacher.
What's this?
What is this? Write it. Chapu.
Ase Angur.
No. This one. Two lines. Oh.
Ase Out.
How say?
Ase Out.
Aurat.
Ase Outlet.
How say?
Ase Outlet.
How say?
Chapu.
Ase Outlet.
Okay. Hasini. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
This one. Can you identify this letter? This one.
Mali.
Very good. This one is not E say Imli. This is E. E buddy. matra. E. Long sound. E say E. This is E. Asli, this is E say Imali. This one I'm showing you, no? This one is E say E.
Eek.
Eek.
E.
Eek, sugar cane. This one. E say Eek.
Yes.
Yes. Cut.
Okay. Next, Naitik.
Yes.
This one.
The anar.
Let's say Anar. Good. Nakshita.
Wase wakali.
Very good, Nakshita. O say Okli. Do we have O say Okli? Yes, we have. O say Okali. Good. Next, Rohita. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ తల్లి చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు నాట్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇదేంటి వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
Okay.
చెప్పు ఓకే కాదు ఇది చూసి చెప్పు
I will give you a big star. What is this?
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
Ise Himali.
Very good. E say Himali.
Himali. Ise Himali.
Hasini.
I want colors.
I'll give you colors. I have all the colors. I'll give you weight.
No, I don't like colors. Ah,
Very good. A say Am. Naitik. This one.
I say Ainak.
Very good. This is not A. Say A will not have a slanting at the top. This is I. I say Ainak. Where is Ainak? Let me go and search. Where is Ainak? It's here. I say Ainak. Okay. Last one. Nukshita, what is this, dear?
Usa Ullo.
Very good. Use Ullu. Good. Okay. Now I'll show you all the stars. This is all the stars for all of you. Very nice, children. Very nice. And Hasini, a big clap for you. Very good. Very nice.
Dhanyawada.
Okay, children. All the stars. Purple, yellow, pink, blue, orange, green. All this for you, all of you. Very good, children. Very nice. Super. Okay. Now take out your this book. Take out a big book, Akshar Gyan. Okay, we are going to start learning a new one. Okay, so far we have been learning swar. Swar is A se Aha tak swar. Okay, 13 letters. Now we are going to learn from today. We are going to learn Vyanjan. Okay, in English we have only alphabets, right? A to Z. In Hindi we have two. Okay, swar and Vyanjan. Yes? Okay. We are going to read this and then we are going to go. Okay, take the first page, children. I want all of you to keep your fingers and read along with me. As I turn on, you are going to turn along with me only. No, Nukshita, you want to read slowly with me, Nukshita. Understand, Nukshita?
Yes,
You want to read slowly with me, okay? Everybody took the book, first page. Okay. A say anar. A say adrak. A say ajkan. A say ajgar. Next page. A. A say am. A say am. A say alu. We'll read two words for each letter. A say alu. Turn the next page. Turn the next page. Are you all with me? Okay. I say Imali. I say Imali. I say Indradhanush. Or I say Idli. Okay. I say Imali. I. Say idli. Very good. Very good, Naitik. Next page. This one. E. Long sound. Buddy. E. Say eek. Sugar cane. Okay. E. Say eek. Sugar cane. E. Say Eid. E. Say Eid. Turn the next page. U. Say ullu. Owl. U. Say ullu. Owl. U. Say upahar. Gifts. U. Say upahar. Gifts. Next page. U. Say oon. U. Say oon. This is used for knitting, sweaters, all this is used. Okay, this is yarn. You call it as yarn or wool in English. This is oo. Say oon. I showed you, remember, children? Oon. Oon. This is oon. Hasini, you didn't see, no? When you were previously, when we had started the alphabets, I showed for everyone. This is oo. Say oon. Okay, this is like a rope. This is like a rope. You use this for knitting sweaters. Okay. U. Say oon. In the notebook, we have U. Say ood, no? This is U. Say oont. Oont is camel. U. Say oont. Touch the oont, children, everyone. Camel. Oont, camel. Oont, camel. Okay. Next page. R. Say rishi. R. Say rishi. R. Say ritu. R. Say ritu. Next, this page. Next page. A. Say AD. The heel part. Okay. A. Say AD. A. Say ache. A. Say ache. Ache is one. Touch one and say ache, children. A. Say ache. Good, Rohita. Good, Hasini. Very good. Next page. I say ainak. I say ainak. I say Airavad. I say Airavad. You call Hathi also as elephant. Airavad is also elephant. Airavad. Next page. O. Say Okali. O. Say Okali. O. Say Os. Os is drop, dew drop. Okay. O. Say Os. O. Say Okali. O. Say Os. Next page. Au. Say Aurat. Au. Say Aurat. Au. Say Aushadi. Aushadi is what? Medicine, syrups. When you feel cold or sick, when you have fever, your mother gives you syrup, no? That is Aushadi. All the medicines are called Aushadi. Au. Say Aurat. Au. Say Aushadi. Last before, say Angur, grapes. Say Angur. Say Anda, egg. You call egg as Anda in Hindi. Okay. Say Angur. Say Anda. Last, aha. Aha. This is swar. This ends swar. Okay. We'll just start with the new set of letters. Okay. Go to the last page. We'll read one line every day. Go to the last before page. Last before page. So we finished swar. We're going to start Vyanjan today. Vyanjan. Okay. What we are going to start? Vyanjan. Okay. Keep your letter. This one. This one is called K. Small, soft sound. K. K. Only half mouth open. Okay. K. Next one with strong. You have to say K. K. This one soft sound. This one with strong sound. K. Similarly, soft sound. G. G. Next one strong sound. G. G. Last one, nga, nga. Okay? Kha, kha, ga, ga, nga. Okay, one more time we'll read. Children, keep your fingers. I want all of you to keep your fingers. Please keep your fingers. Ka. Rohita, not showing your fingers. Keep your fingers. Ka. Ka. Ga. Ga. Nga. One more time. Ka. Ka. Ga. Ga. Nga. Okay, soft and strong sound. Okay. Very good, children. Close it. You can keep this book aside. Now take candy book. Take candy book. Okay, have you all finished? Have you finished till I, everyone? Naitik, Rohita, Nukshita. Have you finished? Okay, good, Hasini. Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, guy.
Almost finished.
Okay, O. What about O? Nukshita, check if you finished O.
Ah.
No, ma'am.
We have started O. First two lines.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We haven't started. Okay, we'll first finish the first two lines today. In the classwork, this is classwork, this is homework, no? This classwork side, the first two line of tracing. We'll finish it today. O se okali. O se os.
చెప్పనా టీచర్ కి మరి
O se okali. O se os. Last week we practiced in rough note, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it in the first two lines. O se okali, O se os. Say and write. O se okali. O se os. First two lines alone you write and then tell me. Put today's date. 9.2.21. You can write the date at the bottom. Dinank, date. 9.2.21. O se okali, O se os. O se okali, O se os. Say that and write. O is very easy if you know A. Right? A, say A. And then put a slanting line at the top. O se okali. Very good. Rohita is writing very fast, Rohita. Hasni finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, Nukshita. What have you written? What letter have you written today? What is this?
విచ్ లెటర్ దిస్ వన్ ఇప్పుడు రాసా కదా ఏ లెటర్ అది
Did you say it and write, Nukshita?
Wash your wash.
yes
O se okali, O se os.
Wash your wash.
What about Naitik?
I'm writing.
Okay.
Ma'am, first two lines alone, right?
Yeah, that would do. First two lines, if you finished, it's done.
She finished.
Good, Hasni. Looking good. Okay, if you have finished, we are going to do the small activity here. Okay. Rohita, can you keep your pencils down? Rohita, Nukshita, and Hasini. Naitik, finish it, dear. Okay, Rohita, tell me what is this, Rohita?
Broccoli.
Okay. Good. Hasini, what is this? Second picture.
No. What is this? Ma'am, it is not visible clearly. Can you just show?
Okay, the second picture in your book.
What is this?
Say
Say arm.
What is this?
Nukshita, what is the third picture in your book? Leaf, what is that? Drops on the leaf.
Nuchma, this one. What is this?
Bus.
Os. Say os. Very good. Naitik finished.
I know.
Yes.
Now what is this? Naitik, what is this?
I
I Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to put O on the boxes which starts with O. Okay. First one is O से ओकली. O अक्षर से शुरू होने वाले चित्रों के नीचे टिक लगाओ. We are going to make a tick mark and then write that. We are going to make a tick mark and in the box we will write O so that we will get practiced. Okay. Write O से ओकली and put a tick mark here. I'll show you now. This one is arm. Put a cross mark. For arm, put a cross mark and write A. For arm, put a cross mark and write put X. Put X and then write A. Os. Put a tick mark and write O for Os. This one, I say Ainak. Okay, put a X mark again and write I. And this one is Mukh, mouth. Okay, put a cross mark. That you don't have to write. That's what I didn't tell you. You don't have to write that. Have you written first one? O say okali, put a tick mark. Put a cross mark and write A. Os, write O and put a tick mark. I say Ainak, write I and put a cross mark. This one, if it's Mukh, we cannot write. Okay. But we have one more word for O. That is lips. O say owned, that we haven't read, no? So time being, you don't do anything there. We'll read it O say owned and then we'll put a tick mark and write here. So don't write anything here. Okay. This one, so far we have read O say okali, O say os. So that only we know. So put a tick mark now. We'll read this later, next class. Then we'll put a tick mark and write owned. Okay. Yes, Naitik, you have any doubt? Finished? You have any doubt, Naitik? Tell me.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Wait, let me see, Hasni. Okay, good, Hasni.
Finish.
Finished, Nukshita? Good, Nukshita.
Finish చెప్తాను.
Finished, Rohita? Okay, Dhanyavad, children. See you on Thursday. Okay,
ధన్యవాదాలు.
we are...
Bye.
Yes, Dhanyavad. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Please check if everybody has finished till page number 11. Okay, complete all the